this segment, we're going to talk about the proper spices that we're going to need to make the perfect Alfredo sauce. It is perfect, by the way, too, and you're gonna find out real soon. We need some salt, just some basic salt, and of course, I will let you know measurement-wise as I'm going just how much we're going to need. We're going to need some common black ground pepper. You could use white pepper if you don't want the pepper floating around the white sauce. So if you want to camouflage it in a little bit and hide the recipe, use white pepper. We're going to use just basic parsley. In this case, I'm not using fresh parsley. I'm just going to use some dried parsley that I already have pre-cut up. We need about 2 cups of Romano cheese, freshly grated Romano cheese. You could use Parmesan cheese. You definitely could use Parmesan cheese. Parmesan's a little bit sharper than Romano, so it's not going to be as sweet, so I prefer to use Romano. And we're going to need a little bit of olive oil. And for every pound of pasta, when you're making a cream sauce, you need about 1 quart of heavy cream. So in this case, we're making a pound of pasta, 1 quart of heavy cream. And we're also going to need a little bit of butter. I'm going to slice this off. We're not going to use the whole thing, but we're just need a little bit of butter. And we're going to talk about actually the kind of pasta that we're going to use in the next segment.